Some people say shit and then hope for it. Some people are just go-getters. We only talk about money. That's it. I'm about to show you. I already got goosebumps. You've been out there doing shit, making moves, buying some really cheap, nice houses, and know a lot of stuff. We know some too. With the paperwork and the processes to just repeat, rinse and repeat. Qualified written requests, wait till you see it. We check them. And if they don't respond within a certain amount of time, they are liable for $4,000 each qualified written request. So not only do we go to the judge and act like we know some stuff, we got to start out as a thorn in their side. But we reference TILA, Truth in Lending Act, RESPA, the Real Estate Settlement Procedures Act, and we reference the code. And so, yeah, the UCC. That's why we operate as agent, because we're in commerce. What I'm telling you now that sounds funny, this is the exact language, and we go at them even harder. The qualified written request, we do one of those every 2 weeks, requesting things that are in the RESPA Act, that are in TILA, that are in the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. We reference those things to demand. I told y'all, I'm not requesting stuff. I don't like doing that. So I'm gonna notify you. You can make a decision from there. Because whatever decision you make, just like today, it'll take you down a path. I'm cool with either. We both know what's going on. We know what's gonna happen. We do that with a qualified written request, and we do it every 2 weeks to remain a thorn in their side, and then we send it in a particular way so that if they try to lie, like that's what they, I think, were made to do, well, we just have evidence of that through the United States Postal Service, sent in a particular way with their agent signing it. That's why when we set up our P.O. box, we tell them specifically, don't sign anything for us. Then we were never served it. You're not my signing agent. So how are you gonna fight the big dog if you don't even know how to fight? So, bifurcation. Yeah, this stuff is hard, man, it's beautiful. There's a process to it, and we just do it. Unjust enrichment. Securitized mortgages are insured against default. I told you guys that. Collecting monthly payments and or foreclosing after the note has already been made whole and complete is unjust enrichment. You've been paid for that item. Now you want to come take the security for the item that you've been paid for from me? That doesn't even add up. What type of math is that? They said they teaching that new Chinese shit in school out there. I don't even know what it is. I was busy building Harvard with Molly, watching her, saying, hold on, put this in right here, right over here. Okay, we work as a team. I knew she'd be perfect for it. So that's one of the arguments. These are the arguments. Securitization.